Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Strategy here. Today I got a brand new, just released Hurom Slow Juicer H400. And this is early March 2023. This was released just a few days ago and I just bought it with my own money. In this video, we'll see what's inside the box. We'll unbox this thing, and then in the next video, I will do some juicing and we'll see how good that is. But yeah, let's unbox it. So the box is pretty simple. There's a seal here we'll cut, and it says it's only for household use. It of course says H400. We will break the seal here. Alright, let's take a little bit of closer look at the machine itself. Here's the main part. You can see the motor there, under that. And then there's a little cutout in the back. That's for the pulp outlet into the catcher here. And that you can take out and throw away the pulp easily. Or the fiber where that comes out. And then we'll put this one back here. There's a on-off switch, on, off, and reverse. And then I think there's like a little sensor thing where it kind of senses, you can see that over here, it kind of senses whether the whole thing has been assembled and ready to go. I think that activates the switch. So that's the main machine. And you obviously plug this in the back. Cleaning brush, the pusher, and then let's take a closer look at the chamber. Alright, I've never opened this before, so we'll see if I can open that. It's easy enough, so we can turn on or open that thing from the top. You can see inside the little thing that chops and push the pieces into the main chamber. And there's a little lock and unlock symbol here. I think you just kind of twist it, or at least I think, right? Maybe it's already unlocked. Okay, that's already unlocked, maybe? Oh, yeah, that's kind of weird. So, alright, that's unlocked. So we separate out this piece from the bottom. And you can see the main, I guess, the main, whatever it's called, pusher thing. I can't get that out. It's kind of weird. Alright, there we go. So, I think this is one piece. Oh, okay, so this doesn't separate out anymore. I think the old one you can separate this out, but apparently not anymore. This is the bottom. That's where the motor, the mechanism goes in. That's where you release the pulp or the juice. Or actually, you can. Okay, so you can open the whole thing here, and you can clean easily. Push that back, and I think to release the juice you just push that up, and that will unleash the juice from there into the cup. And this is where the pulp or fiber goes. There's a little rubber thing that prevents the actual juice to come up from here. And that's it. It's pretty easy. This is the main thing. I think you assemble it by just pushing it together somehow. Yeah, there you go. And that's it. I guess that's called the extractor or whatever. All right, so in order to use it, you can push that back in there and then assemble this. I think there's a little thing, unlock. Okay, there you go. Unlock. Make sure it goes in and then twist it to lock. That goes back into one piece. And then to put it into the machine, you just kind of push it down like that. And that's the whole machine. And then you can see the back where the fiber or whatever will come out in that little thing there into the chamber. All right. Oh, and also now that we have that, we can have the juice or whatever come out here, release it into the cup. So that is it. Those are all the components of the machines. I think this version has been simplified a little bit from the H200. I think it has a little bit less components and should be easier to use and easier to clean and less parts to break down. But that's it. I need to go run out and get veggies and fruits to try this machine out, and I'll post another video of that. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see that one. But other than that, this has been it. The unboxing of the Hurom H400, brand new, just released a couple of days ago or a few days ago. This is March 2023. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.